Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. This is Gerald Julito. This week, we are going to take poster making into the 21st century with a wonderful website and app that's easy to use for you and your students. But before we do that, let me remind you that all of our videos can be found in the PBT ISD webpage. Let me just show you where it is. So in the address bar, if you type in pbtisd.esc18.net, it's going to take you to our home page. And from there, if you hover on teacher web pages and go to the technology department, click on technology specialist, you are going to get to our landing page. So Tech Tuesday is going to be right here on the left side. If you click on that, these are our Tech Tuesday videos that we have so far. So we have one on Eduphoria, what's new with Gmail, creating a quiz, and so on and so forth. We also have short videos on G Suite tutorials. These are all basic tutorials. And we have all of the slide presentations that we do during our PDs and things. Okay, let's get on with a tutorial. So to make posters using your computer or iPad, all you need to do is go to canva.com. It will take you to the Canva landing page. Now, if this is the first time that you're using Canva, when you click on login, there's going to be a drop-down button. When you click on that, you can log in with your Google or Facebook. So I'm going to use my personal email, and I'm going to log into my Canva. And this is what your Canva is going to look like. Now, obviously, I have a whole bunch of posters and posts that you can find here. I use Canva for Twitter posts and posters and Facebook posts and all that. But this is how it's going to look like. The wonderful thing about Canva is whenever you or your students click on create a design, you already have some template sizes that they can choose from. You have an invitation, for example, you have business card, poster, you have Twitter posts, generic social media posts, Facebook posts, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So they don't have to go on the internet and find the exact size that they need. You already have that pre-programmed. So let's say we're going to make a poster. So this will be our poster. And this blank white sheet here is in poster dimensions. Now there are two things that you can do when you're making a poster. You can either just choose a template that's already there, like what we have here. Let's say I want to go with this one. No, that's not that. Let's go on one. Let's say I want to go with this one. So I just click on that. Oh, and notice how it has that $sign. That means that you have to pay for it. But there are a lot of free poster templates that you can use. So let's change that to a free poster. Say I want to go with this one. Okay, so this one is free. Things that I can do with this, I can click on the text. And if I triple click, it's going to highlight everything. And I can change it to, let's say, change is the only constant. And it's the same thing for all of the lines of text. We can change all of that. So let's say I want to change this one to Icus Barstow Toya ISD. And now you're ready with a poster and you can download it. And since it's a poster, we want to go with PDF print. You can crop it, and I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. So it's going to download. And once it's done downloading, you can click on it, and it's now ready for print. So as you can see here, we have those lines. These are the lines where we can cut, and this is your poster. Okay. Now what other things can you do with it? If you want to make a customized poster, what you can do is click on Uploads, find a picture that you like. Let's say I like this. Okay, so it's now uploaded. What we can do with it is if I click on it, it's going to transfer over and I can turn it around and make it my background. Now, if it's too dark, what I can do is I can change the transparency, make it a little bit lighter, and there you have it. I have my background. Let's say that I'm talking about digital citizenship. I can click on this. So you can add as many pictures as you want. And then we can add some text to it. Let's say digital citizenship basics. Just like with Word, you can reorient your words. You can make it bigger. And if you click on the smaller font, if you have that and you triple click on it, then you can take those off. I'm just using the backspace button to remove them. Okay, so I have my digital citizenship basics. Then I can add another text there saying, we can add some statistics there, say 9 out of 10 students do not practice digital citizenship. And I can make that bigger. And I can add some more to it, so I can copy and paste that. Put that there. 6 out of 10. And I'm just making up these statistics just to give you an example. Teenagers experience cyber bullying. And you can add more things to it if you wanted to. Let me just fix that. Eight out of 10 teachers teach cyberbullying. So just by doing this, within 15 minutes, I was able to create a poster on cyberbullying. It's not the best poster in the world, but with more time, I can make this as nice and visually appealing as possible. So that is Canva Tech Tuesday. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or if you need help using Canva or other digital tools that you can use in the classroom, please let us know. Again, this is Gerald Holito. You have a great rest of the week.